Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. If given 7x squared plus 20x plus 7 is equal to 0, then find expression x squared divided by x to the power 4 plus 3x squared plus 1. So given here equation is 7x squared plus 20x plus 7 is equal to 0. In this equation, we can divide by x. So this is 7x plus 20, and this is 7 upon x is equal to 0, because 0 upon x is 0. Now we can rearrange 7x, and this 7 upon x plus 20 is equal to 0. From here we can take common 7. So this is x plus 1 upon x left here plus 20 is equal to 0. So we can solve this x plus 1 upon x. 20 transfer this side, so minus 20. And what is the value for x plus 1 upon x? Minus 20 upon 7. And our given actually we have to find out this x square upon x to the power x square upon x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 1. We can check exactly, see this. Yes, okay. Here x square numerator. From here we can take common x square. So here left x square, here 3, and here 1 upon x square. Okay. This x square and this x square cancel. We get 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square and plus 3. So this one, when we write in perfect square, so this is x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2, right? This part we can write like this, and this is plus 3. 1 upon x plus 1 upon x value we can substitute from here, okay? Minus 20 upon 7. So minus 20 upon 7 square, and minus 2 plus 3 is 1. 1 upon minus 20 square is 400 and 7 square is 49 plus 1. So this is 1 upon this is 49. So 400 plus 49 is 449 divided by 49. And when we do reciprocal, we get 49 upon 449. And this is the answer. So very simple steps, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.